Stop scrolling for just 10 seconds and picture this. It's 90 days from right now and you've gone from absolute zero, no audience, no tech skills, no money, to a brand new AI-powered income stack that's pulling in up to $5,000 every single month. Sounds like a fantasy, right? It's not. This is the exact playbook everyday people are using in 2025 to cash stack their way out of the 9-to-5 grind. And I'm about to break it all down for you. Stick with me, because what you're about to hear could be the turning point that finally gets you off the sidelines and into the game. Quick shout out before we dive in. If you're serious about making this the year you build a real AI income machine, subscribe to AI Hustle Hub. That's where I drop free resources, deep dive tutorials, and full money maps that can take what you learn today and help you scale it into serious numbers. Hit that after this video so you don't miss the next big AI move. All right, let's talk AI cash stacking. This is not about chasing one random side hustle and hoping it pops. That's the trap most people fall into. Cash stacking is about building layers of income that feed each other like gears in a machine. Imagine setting up multiple rivers that all flow into the same bank account. Each stream starts small, but when you combine them, the momentum compounds fast. We're going to build it step by step from absolute zero to a potential $5,000 a month. Step 1 is all about speed. We need a quick cash engine, something that puts money in your pocket within the first couple of weeks. The fastest play right now is AI freelancing gigs. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Contra are flooded with buyers who need simple, repeatable services every day. Blog writing, social captions, YouTube thumbnails, podcast editing, basic website copy. Instead of grinding for hours, you plug AI tools into the workflow. ChatGPT or Claude handles the writing, Grammarly polishes it, Midjourney or Canva creates eye-popping graphics, Descript cleans up audio, and CapCut edits short videos. You charge competitive prices, deliver insanely fast, and collect those first few $100s. Don't overthink it. Your only job here is to grab proof of concept and stack your first $500 to $1,000. That first $1,000 is pure jet fuel for what comes next. Once you've got a few freelance dollars rolling in, it's time to create your evergreen magnet, a small AI-assisted content asset that keeps paying you while you sleep. The easiest entry point is a niche blog or micro website. Pick a topic with buyer intent: fitness gear, tech gadgets, home improvement hacks, smart home tools, or even AI side hustles for beginners. Use ChatGPT to draft detailed guides and product reviews. Then layer in affiliate links from Amazon, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Optimize with free SEO tools like Surfer SEO or Rank Math. Even if a single blog post only brings in $20 to $50 a month, you can scale to dozens of posts quickly because AI handles the heavy lifting. This is your first taste of true passive income, and it grows while you're busy stacking the next layer. Now we add the audience accelerator. With a blog or two earning on autopilot, you need an attention engine that multiplies your reach. Right now, faceless video content is pure gold. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels are desperate for fresh short-form videos. And you don't even need to show your face. ChatGPT writes your scripts, 11 Labs gives you a natural AI voice, and CapCut stitches everything together. Repurpose your blog content into 30-second clips, link back to your affiliate posts, and watch traffic spike. This layer doesn't just earn ad revenue, it drives more eyeballs to your blogs and freelance offers, which means more clicks, more clients, and more cash stacking. At this point, you're building skills, traffic, and small cash flows. That's when it's time for the digital product flip. Take the knowledge and assets you've already built and package them into digital products, templates, mini courses, or downloadable toolkits. Maybe it's a beginner's AI blogging checklist, a faceless video starter pack, or a collection of pre-written social media prompts. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Shopify make it easy to sell. You can create these products in a weekend using the same AI tools you've already mastered. Price them from $10 to $49 and let your content drive the sales. Every product you launch becomes another gear in the machine, adding consistent revenue without extra hours. Now comes the scale stack. This is where you stop thinking like a side hustler and start thinking like a business owner. Reinvest profits into small ad campaigns. Hire low-cost freelancers to automate parts of your workflow. Or launch a micro agency that offers AI content services to local businesses. Because each layer is AI-driven, scaling doesn't mean burning out. Your blog feeds your shorts sell your products, your freelance clients turn into retainer contracts. The stack keeps growing even when you're off the clock. Let's put it all into a 90-day game plan so you can actually see the path. Week 1 to 2, pick one quick cash gig, list your service, and fulfill at least 5 orders using AI. Target at least $500 profit. Week 3 to 4, take $100 of that profit, buy a domain, and launch a simple blog. Publish 5 to 10 AI-written posts with affiliate links. Week 5 to 6, start a faceless short-form channel. Post daily using content repurposed from your blog. Link everything back to your affiliate posts. Week 7 to 8, create your first digital product. Promote it through your blog and short videos. Week 9 to 12, double down on what's working. Scale freelance orders, grow your audience, and launch one more product. Execute that plan with even average effort, and you're looking at a realistic path to stacking $3,000 to $5,000 a month by the end of the first quarter. Is it guaranteed? Of course not. But in 2025, the tools have never been cheaper or faster to deploy, and that's why people who take action are winning right now. Here's what makes this moment unique. 5 years ago, building a business meant complicated websites, expensive software, and endless trial and error. Today, AI collapses all of that. ChatGPT can generate a month's worth of blog posts in a day. Canva can design professional graphics in minutes. 11 Labs gives you studio-quality voiceovers with a few clicks. CapCut edits your entire video with drag-and-drop ease. These aren't hacks. They're the new baseline. The people who embrace them first get a head start, while everyone else is still thinking about it. If you're wondering whether this is too saturated, remember this: the internet is expanding faster than ever. Every new product, every new trend, every new niche creates more opportunities for content, services, and products. AI doesn't kill opportunity, it multiplies it. What matters is your execution. Pick a lane, stay consistent, and let the stack build layer by layer. Let's talk about mindset for a second, because this is where most beginners crash. They binge videos, get hyped, and then freeze because they think they need the perfect plan. Forget perfect. Momentum beats perfection every time. Your first AI blog post might be rough. Your first faceless video might only get 200 views. That's fine. Each piece is a building block. Your first $100 will teach you more than any tutorial ever could. And once that money hits your account, you'll never look at the internet the same way again. Here's a quick reality check. Most viewers will watch this, nod their heads, and then do nothing. Don't be that person. Start with one layer today. Just one gig, one blog post, one short video. Action is the secret ingredient that turns AI tools into actual income. You don't have to quit your job. You don't have to risk your savings. You just need to start stacking. Before we wrap up, let's talk next level moves. Once your stack is humming, you can branch into AI coaching, subscription communities, or even small SaaS tools built with no-code platforms like Bubble. By then, you'll have the skills, the audience, and the cash flow to test bigger plays. That's when $5,000 a month becomes 10, and 10 becomes 20. But it all starts with the first layer and the decision to act. Want more ideas, tools, and updates on making money with AI? Subscribe to AI Hustle Hub and join the community. That's where I share the latest AI trends, fresh side hustle strategies, and everything happening in this space, so you can stay ahead of the curve. 2025 is the first time in history where anyone with a laptop and an internet connection can realistically build multiple income streams in under 3 months. The question isn't whether the tools work, they do. The question is whether you'll use them. Your move.